Hi and welcome to this channel. In this video I'm gonna tell you 3 reasons everyone should invest time in growing their social media accounts. When I was growing up, I didn't use social media at all. I have never had a Facebook account, and it wasn't till I was in high school where I created my very first Instagram account. Even after making my profile on Instagram, I hardly even posted on it. I would seldom post a picture of my friends and I had around 100 followers at that time, all of which were people I knew that went to my school. However, over these past few years, I have become more interested in social media and growing my platforms on various sites, not because I want to be an influencer, but rather because of how valuable social media can be used as a marketing tool for your own personal brand. Here why you should consider growing your social media accounts. First, it's free advertisement for your personal brand. I'm sure you get emails all the time where you can pay for ads to promote your content, and sometimes in order to reach a wide audience, paying for ads is necessary for your business to succeed. However, ads are costly, and it's so paying for promos for your own content. While it's not always a waste to pay for ads, there are more efficient ways to promote your content cost-free. This is why if you have a zero interest in becoming an influencer, using social media to market your brand is something you want to consider. I have started a tech blog little less than a year ago, and at the beginning, I was getting zero traffic. I would check my WordPress stats daily only to get disappointed with the outcome. That's when I looked to using various social media platforms, including Pinterest, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, to promote my blog. While my stats haven't skyrocketed, it has helped me gain more traffic to my blog, which is promising. Social media apps are really effective for marketing your brand because you can add hyperlinks into your Instagram bio, TikTok, YouTube, and Pinterest. It makes it really easy for someone to click on your link and go to your blog. And the second reason why you should invest time in growing your social media account is that having a platform can open the door for new opportunities. Whatever your niche, if you have a large following of people, it may open the door for different opportunities. Not everyone goal is having 9 or 5 jobs forever. If you have a large platform, you may be able to create online courses, ebooks, or start small business. The most common way to make money through social media is through sponsorships, but that's not the only way. If you don't ever want to be an influencer or promote products, that's okay. You don't have to use social media in that way. Rather, you can use your audience to drive traffic to your blog, podcast, or other business avenue of yours. It's not an easy task to grow a following in social media, but that doesn't mean you shouldn't give it a try. Nothing in life comes easy. If you really want something and give it your all to try and achieve it, anything is possible. A lot of people have realized how much work can be done online as a result of the pandemic. Before the pandemic, everyone went into work, and hardly anyone worked a traditional job remotely. However, things have changed, and it's become a more digital world, and that is the third reason. More and more work is able to be done online, remotely, and halfway across the globe. So even if you enjoy going to work and having a coffee with the coworkers, the world is shifting to more online job opportunities. And if you are interested in being self-employed and working your own hours, creating something online is the best ways to do it. Everyone dreams of financial freedom. It's not always experienced by people, but it's always the thought in the back of their mind. As we continue into 2021 and beyond, we are going to be seeing more people working and making money online. Traditional 9 to 5 jobs are not going anywhere, but there are more ways than ever before to make money online, which can be accomplished if you use social media for your own benefit. Something I wish I had gotten into sooner is growing my social media account. Not because I want to be an influencer, it's because having a platform may allow you to pursue your dreams and passions, and that might not be possible without it. If you are interested in being self-employed or starting your own business, using free marketing tools like social media can not only save your money, but it can make your dreams come real. It doesn't matter if you start from ground zero, anyone can grow a social media platform. So don't count yourself out. You are capable of anything as long as you believe in yourself. That's all for this video. I hope you like it. Don't forget to subscribe in this channel to get more content. Thank you for watching and goodbye.